Hello and welcome to this short video where we will explain a little bit about Alternun. In Alternun we have designed a clear path to regenerate our world, disrupting the gold mining industry. And to understand a little bit more, we would like to give you some context between the extractive model, which is the regular one, and the digital exploitation, which is what we are actually proposing. The extractive model of the gold mines are a finite business where once the reserves or resources allocated in a certain field, once they are depleted, there will be no more business. This generates important impacts into the environment and also in the society. Communities often oppose to new gold mines mainly by two reasons. The first one is the problems that it comes with, like childhood exploitation, violence, prostitution, among others. The second one is that usually the environmental liability is larger than the value created for the community. Since all the wealth was extracted and now is deposited in another country, they don't have any remaining wealth to execute in the future, while the liability is huge. In the digital exploitation model, what we have designed is a new bar. This gold bar represents a tokenized collection that is pegged to the gold resources of reserve. As you can see, this new bar, which is drawn in purple, is a bit smaller. That it's due to the level of certainty that we have of the amount of gold that is in this area or this field. It will be measured after the exploration and also with the NI 43101 that is developed after the exploration process. As you can see, in the second step we have a new bar that is a blue one that represents projects that are developed around the area or other places. We actually ask that 30% of the projects should be developed in the area where the field or reserves are. This is mainly for two reasons. The first one is to give opportunities to the community and protect the gold mine. As you can see at the end, we have created a lot of value, but now the investors have two different collaterals. They still have a liquidity pool because it can be refilled using some rules of it, but now they have the equity of the projects but they still have the gold reserves. This is very interesting because the regenerative projects will also create value for the environment. So we have social surplus, environmental surplus, while we also have created value and new projects. The liquidity pool have a lot of rules that will help us to manage and control efficiently the resources. The 50% will be allocated for different projects like farming, reforestation, solar energy, tourism, hydropower, and purpose-driven mining. As I said in the beginning, we are mainly disrupting the gold mining industry. We left a space to talk about carbon credits because when we stop a gold mine, there's a lot of emissions, so diesel, explosives that will be stopped to be used. And also, since we are not disrupting the environment, we will be able to collect new offsets from ecosystems, biodiversity, among others. 30% is used as a recovery pool. In the case that the projects underperform, we will have the economic power to mine and sell the gold at its actual market price and then recover the liquidity initially invested. The 20% in the green part are the actual price or real cost of the gold, and it goes for the miner for exploration processes, marketing and project feasibility, and 2% is designed to be given to the governments or the nations. That is to solve the problem that they have, that they want to keep or maintain the environment while they want to collect taxes. The 80% is controlled by a voting system, and only the 20% is executed by Alternun directly, giving more control to the investors. Thank you for watching this short video. We believe you will have many questions, so we would like to invite you to visit our website alternun.io, and visit us on Instagram, YouTube, and X.